Hi, everyone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake.
And this is Learn English with Jake and Emma.
Today, you'll learn simple English so you can understand some fun English sayings.
And why Jake has trouble understanding pretty much all of them.
I understand at least one, maybe two.
We'll see about that. Fun sayings are short expressions that don't always mean exactly what the words say. They're common in everyday English, and they make conversations more colorful.
And confusing. Very confusing.
Only for you, buddy. Our first fun saying is, break a leg. And while it might sound kinda scary when you first hear it, it actually means good luck.
But why would anyone say that for good luck?
Okay, calm down now. It's just a tradition. I think it started as something people said to theater actors before they went on stage. And because the phrase was so unusual and memorable, it eventually became a popular way to say good luck in all kinds of situations.
Okay, good. Because I don't want anyone getting hurt. I mean, if you ask me, that's the opposite of lucky. The next fun saying is, nice going, Einstein.
Pretty much everyone knows that Albert Einstein was one of the greatest geniuses in recent history. And calling someone Einstein as a joke means the opposite. Like, maybe they're a little not so smart.
Wait, you weren't complimenting me all those times you called me Einstein?
And right on cue, he proves my point. Here's another fun saying, piece of cake.
Ooh, I know this one. Clearly, it means dessert.
No, I don't think so.
Like, I'll have a second piece of cake, please and thank you.
No, Jake. Piece of cake means something is very easy. Like, I thought learning English would be so hard, but when I learn English with Jake and Emma, it's a piece of cake. They make it easy.
Aw, so no dessert?
Not unless you earn it.
Earn it? That's the opposite of easy. Our next fun saying is, oh, brother.
People say, oh, brother, when they're annoyed, or when someone is being silly or dramatic.
Wow, that feels like it's aimed directly at me.
Well, you give me plenty of opportunities.
I'm choosing to take that as a compliment.
And that, my friend, is exactly what I'd expect from you.
Oh, brother.
See? You're learning. And here's another one. Let the cat out of the bag. It means to reveal a secret.
Man, if a cat were trapped inside a bag, that would be scary for both the cat and you. I mean, ouch. Those claws mean serious business.
But the saying has nothing to do with an actual cat in a bag. Like I said, let the cat out of the bag just means to reveal a secret.
Still, it's a scary visual. Ouch, kitty!
Let's review some useful English sayings from today.
First, oh, brother, when someone is annoyed or can't believe what someone else did.
Second, nice going, Einstein. A joking way to point out when someone makes a silly mistake.
Third, break a leg, a way to say good luck.
Fourth, piece of cake, something that's very easy.
And fifth, let the cat out of the bag, to reveal a secret.
Repeat after me. That test was a piece of cake.
That test was a piece of cake.
Now try, you can do it, break a leg.
You can do it. Break a leg.
And finally, let's keep this between us. Don't let the cat out of the bag.
Let's keep this between us. Don't let the cat out of the bag.
Today, we talked about fun English sayings, what they mean, and how to use them.
And we learned expressions like, oh, brother, nice going, Einstein, break a leg, piece of cake, and let the cat out of the bag.
Nice job following along. Now you can understand these sayings in real conversations.
And remember, not everything means what it sounds like.
Especially if your name is Jake.
Yeah, I get it.
Thanks for listening,
Keep practicing your English. You're getting better every time.
and we'll see you in the next episode.
Wait, there's gonna be a next episode? Looks like you let the cat out of the bag.
Oh, brother.